Hi everyone, today I came up with another unboxing video. This is YIHUA 948D-I model desoldering station. If you see the packing, this is how this is I received, and if you see as per the specs, here you can see that what is this particular tool is offering, and this is how the packages came. And this particular one I purchased in Robo in India. Okay, and if you see unpacking, as per it's given standard operation instruction and operation manual, and very lightweight. And you can see like what is the internally how they are constructed. This is how I think we can see here. This is completely desoldering vacuum station, and at least we can keep aside. And here if you see, this is their offering. This is where you can give the desoldering vacuum wind can hold it. The quality wise is very good. Let's keep aside. And this is the main station. And if you see, it is comes with digital display and tilt display. This is where we can tilt it. This is pure heavy metal body. I feel it is a little bit heavy. And if you see, it's a standard on off and desoldering gun where we can connect, and solder we can connect it. And this is how we can increase or decrease the temperatures. And channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, three preset channels where the temperature is set by default. And behind that one is the ground port, and one is the where the power plug we can connect it. Behind as normal YIHUA 948D and I this is the model. And what is the operating voltage? It's here rated power is 110 volts. This is a little bit heavy. We can keep aside. And in the box we can see one thermal rubber and one standard 3-pin power plug, 3 replaceable desoldering heat guns, and some accessories especially for this what they are given. This is I know this is where we can solder, we can clean the desoldering tip. Okay, and we don't know where exactly we need to use it. We need to go through the manual, then we might be aware of. This is the where the filter replacement, and this is also vacuum gun inside the filter, and one extra chamber desoldering chamber we can see here, and extra 2 we received it, and even the replacement rubber also. And we can keep this all one side, and we can see how we can use this desoldering station. And it comes with the standard ground cable also, where we can connect from here to this particular base. and that is what we received from the box. And this is the desoldering vacuum gun, and if you see, yeah, this is where the replacement bits what we received here, three replacement of this heat guns, I guess. Okay, and this is very lightweight, and the quality also is good, very, and I think it's giving like a premium look. And this is how we can remove this cartridge. Okay, once this chamber is blocked, or once it's desoldering, desold that flux into this chamber, then we can clean it here this way. That's it. That's it. It's automatically locking. Then the gun is looking very good, and this is standard. Let's see, we can turn it on it and we can see. I'm connecting the power supply. And I'm connecting the desoldering gun and vacuum tube. Yes, I'll change the angle little bit so we can see what exactly they are offering. And if you on it, and you can see it is turned on it now. Slightly it is heating. In hands also we can easily feel it, the heat can heat and all. Okay, it still is it is in preheat state. That's the reason it's showing like a PHE kind of error. Let's see, once it's got full heat, right, then might be we can, if you press it, then we can hear that vacuum sound, that inside the motor sound and everything. Still it is showing like a PHE on it. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, still I think it's here to heat the whatever the heat we are setting up here. Still it is showing preheat. Still it is showing preheat. Let's give like 1 or 2 seconds. Yes, now you can hear the sound of the vacuum gun. I set it around 380. Let's see with this we can desolder anything or not. We can I had this buck converter. Let's see we can desolder anything. Yeah, it's doing its job. But in my video it's not clearly showing. If there next any of my work, I can show you clearly how it will how it is cleanly it is desoldering and everything. And that's it for today. Thank you.